Encapsulating your basement wall is very, very important to controlling your temperatures and your moisture levels in your basement. You may be asking, what does encapsulation look like on a basement wall? In this video, we're going to answer those questions for you. Hi, I'm Nolan with Acculevel. In this video, we're going to talk a lot about basement wall encapsulations. Is it right for you? The pros, the cons, how much does it cost, and when does it make sense to install it? If you decide that encapsulation is right for you, stick around till the end of the video and we'll give you your next steps. Do I need basement wall encapsulation? This is a big question when it comes to encapsulation. Encapsulation in your basement is one of those things that it can be very nice to have in some situations, but may not be needed in some situations. In other situations, it's pretty much needed all the time. The big piece on this, on if it's needed or not needed, is how much water are you getting into your basement? This is a system that's put in conjunction with already a water drainage system in your basement. And so, are you still getting a lot of moisture through your walls? When we see this is older homes, maybe with some deteriorated block, or even old stone foundations or brick foundations. When you get into stone or brick foundations, you have so much mortar, or the rocks and the bricks have gotten so soft that they allow water through multiple different areas. So when we put up this wall encapsulation for your basement, that basically allows the water to still come through the walls, but channels that down to your subfloor drainage system and then out through a sump pump. The reason that this can be very necessary is when that water comes through, if there's nothing to route it down to our drainage system, it's allowed to come out on the floor then. The other part that you've got to be concerned about is when you're looking at alternatives is, do you want to dig up a basement foundation wall that maybe hasn't been dug up for 50, 60, 120 years and risk damaging that wall or causing more foundation issues to that wall? That's when encapsulation really becomes a very valuable option. Check out our blog where you can learn a little bit more information on it. Be sure to like and subscribe.